That sound. We all hate it. Whether you're in a dead zone home, a weak signal office, or a rural area, poor cell service isn't just an annoyance, it's a safety risk. You've probably wondered if those cell phone boosters actually work, or which one is right for you. The market is flooded with lies and overpromises. But after turning our lab into a signal dead zone and testing the top models on all major carriers, we found the 5 heroes that truly deliver. Our number 1 pick for 2025 isn't from the biggest brand, but its performance is so powerful, it's almost illegal. Starting at number 1. WeBoost Installed Home Complete. Best for hands-off installation. The WeBoost Installed Home Complete solution provides the same 72 dB of signal improvement as most other boosters, but with the guarantee of absolutely optimal indoor and antenna placement. After all, WeBoost installs everything for you. If the prospect of DIY work scares you, WeBoost's professional installation package might be worth a hefty price. It's also suitable if you just want to ensure the best possible performance. Experience unparalleled connectivity with WeBoost's commercial-grade solution for your signal woes. Our cell phone signal booster for home or office is a game-changer, designed to amplify weak cellular signals across an expansive area of up to 10,000 square feet. Whether working in an office or hanging out at home, the WeBoost Home Complete is our fastest model and comes with a promise of convenience and quality. With the help of our nationwide network of professional installers, setting up your cellular signal booster at home or in the office is a breeze. Our experts will optimize the cell phone amplifier for your specific location, ensuring peak performance and maximum signal enhancement. Compatibility and future-proofing are at the heart of WeBoost's technology. This cellular booster works seamlessly with all major US, Canada, and Mexico carriers, including Verizon, T-Mobile, AT&T, Dish, and US Cellular. Moreover, it's fully equipped to boost 5G signals, keeping you connected at the highest speeds available today. Trust WeBoost to be your reliable cell phone service booster, bridging the gap between you and flawless cellular connectivity. Whether road tripping in an RV, traveling cross-country in a big rig, living in a rural area or in the bustling city, or building a new home or commercial property in a location that struggles with weak signal, our award-winning cell phone signal boosters have you covered without any subscription fees. The WeBoost brand stands apart from its competition for its superior customer service, partnerships, and products that are proudly designed, assembled, and tested in the USA. We continue to innovate, develop, and pioneer technology as the industry market leader. We hold over 250 cellular signal amplification patents. Number 2. HiBoost 15K SmartLink. Best for large areas. Most consumer signal boosters cover a few thousand square feet at most, but the HiBoost 15K SmartLink covers several times that amount. HiBoost's devices also have a unique and cool feature, LCDs on the front that show signal strength for each of the bands they cover. You're probably going to want to use a splitter and additional panel antennas for a large home installation. One panel won't cut it for 15,000 square feet. Ideal for spaces with weak signal areas, ensuring seamless connectivity in 5 to 6 rooms. Stronger signal and multiple users supported, featuring 70 dB gain, this cell phone signal booster effectively increases signal strength from 1 bar to 3 to 4 bars, enabling clear calls, smooth video streaming, and faster data speeds. Designed for multiple users and devices simultaneously, perfect for families and businesses. If cost isn't a concern and you need to cover an extremely large space, you won't find a more suitable consumer option than the HiBoost 15K. If you're just looking to get cellular connectivity in a traditionally sized home, however, the SureCall Flare 3.0 above is a more reasonable choice. Number 3. Cel-Fi Go X. Best for large homes or weak signals. Cel-Fi's devices can get you 100 dB of signal improvement because they boost the frequencies of only one carrier. Just keep in mind that its premier Go Plus/Go X home boosters cost much more than other consumer models, and this approach means you can't switch carriers without switching your booster. Single dome/panel antenna KIT. This version of the Cel-Fi Go G32 cell signal booster for AT&T, Verizon, or T-Mobile includes both a single dome and a panel antenna. You can use one and discard the other. If you need more of a boost than most consumer models offer, or around 70 dB of improvement, you should check out Cel-Fi's specialty products. That extra bit of signal can make for a massive improvement, especially in rural areas. Number 4. HiBoost Sidekick. Best for smaller homes or apartments. The HiBoost Sidekick is a two-piece booster that can improve 4G and 5G reception throughout smaller houses and apartments. We like its low price, and its understated design means it can blend into most homes' decor. The installation process is somewhat tedious, but HiBoost includes all of the necessary mounting hardware and a comprehensive guide that expertly explains each step. Most importantly, we found it provided a good in-home boost. HiBoost cell phone signal booster for 2,000 square feet. Enjoy a lag-free cell phone signal, faster internet connections for streaming, faster to download and upload. High power outside antenna, receive longer distance signal. It requires at least 1 bar of signal for the signal booster to enhance the signal. Number 5. SureCall Flare 3.0. Best for homes. The SureCall Flare 3.0 is affordable, supports AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon, and combines a directional outdoor antenna with an omnidirectional indoor antenna. That means you can fiddle with the outside antenna to get the strongest possible signal, place the inside antenna anywhere you want, and still get coverage. In our tests, it worked across 3 indoor rooms. Product features: the SureCall Flare 3.0 cell phone signal amplifier boosts weak signal in 2 to 4 rooms, up to 3,500 square foot inside any home or office. This results in fewer dropped calls, improved battery life, higher audio quality, and faster data and streaming for AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon, Sprint, Straight Talk, US Cellular, and many more. Flare 3.0 boosts 5G per 4G LTE voice, text, and data signals for all North American cell carriers, including Verizon's 5G nationwide data signals, maximum gain, 72 dB. If there is weak signal where the exterior antenna is installed, we recommend a booster kit that includes components to capture and broadcast a stronger signal, like the Fusion 4 Home Max. If there is no available signal to boost at the exterior antenna location, a signal booster will not work. And that's how you finally conquer your cell signal dead zones for good. No more missed calls, no more frozen video calls, just crystal clear service. If this deep dive saved you from wasting hundreds on a booster that doesn't work for your situation, please repay the favor by hitting that like button and sharing this with someone who needs it. For more brutally honest tech reviews and life upgrade guides, subscribe and ring the bell. All the links to check the latest prices and detailed specs for every single booster we mentioned are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new, powerful signal.